What's up, guys? It's Langston, and I've been on YouTube for the last 6 months, since January of 2021. And if you're new to this platform, I'm going to tell you 6 major things that you need to know before you start a YouTube channel. So let's get into it. Your first videos are gonna suck. If you're like me and you have little to no experience with scripting or editing or even talking in front of a camera, it's gonna take you a while to find your voice. It is much easier to upload if you go into it planning on fighting through the cringe and embracing your awkwardness enough for you to be able to press that publish button. And if you want to get real about it, not really anyone is going to be watching your videos right away anyway. So accept the fact that you're starting at the bottom and still continue to put your heart and soul into every finished product that you make. And after you begin to develop and grow a following, you'll be so happy that you put in maximum effort from the beginning. Burnout from the algorithm. I will tell you right now, you will run yourself into the ground trying to please the almighty algorithm. Your YouTube schedule should be manageable and flexible. Just because others are putting out a video a day or even 2 videos a day doesn't mean that you have to do that as well. Don't put so much pressure on yourself that you begin to hate the very thing that you started doing just for fun. Stop trying to satisfy the flying spaghetti monster that is the insatiable YouTube algorithm. Enjoy the creative aspects of yourself and your work, and focus on educating, enticing, and entertaining the double or triple digit number of loyal subscribers that you already have. Planning is paramount. If you've got some videos under your belt already, then you've probably realized that there's more to filming quality content than just turning on your camera and hitting record. I think Benjamin Franklin said it best: if you fail to plan, then you are planning to fail. Ideas don't develop themselves, scripting doesn't happen on its own, and quality does not manifest out of thin air. Keep in mind that your power is in your planning. It may seem like all the top content creators are able to pump out video after video every week like it's no problem, but I guarantee you that their ability to create consistently quality content is built into their planning. No matter what your niche is, you still have to order your steps to make sure that everything is in place so that your videos can be the best that they can possibly be. Not every tool will necessarily work for you. You don't have to have top of the line equipment. You don't need to have the best of the best in order to put content out there. Now, I'm not saying that these products aren't good. They really are. But when you're starting off, you really don't have to have the best camera, the best lighting, and the best audio equipment. Oftentimes, YouTubers will discover what they need for the next step. For example, I'm gonna tell you right now, and people will probably come at me in the comments, whatever, but you don't need to have TubeBuddy for your first 50 videos. Don't get me wrong, it is a fantastic tool to use, but you don't have to have it. You really need to spend time finding your groove and getting better at making videos. Tech guru Marcus Brownlee used only a webcam for his first couple hundred videos because that's all he had. Now he's got over 14 million subscribers. I am currently using a Canon Mark II G7X PowerShot. This is mostly used for vlogging, but it's the camera that I have available and it works great for me, and I'll continue to use it until I feel like it's time to upgrade. An ever-changing process. I mentioned earlier how your YouTube schedule has to be flexible. Well, so does your approach to making videos. I've done several different styles of content creation, different formats on this channel just to try things out. And to be honest, I will continue to keep changing things for the simple fact that I do not want to become stagnant. I need to keep things fresh and looking as differently and updated as I possibly can. And you'll need to do the same, because once you settle into a format and you refuse to deviate and you become complacent, you will no longer become relevant. Complacency equals irrelevancy. Keep up with what is happening. And if I'm going off of my first point that your videos are gonna suck anyway, then you will want to change. I want to change. We want to keep growing. We want to be ever changing and be in this process of continuous improvement. Everyone deals with writer's block. Every single one of us has had that oh crap moment of what am I gonna do for my next video? Keep in mind that this is a long marathon. Being on YouTube is not a quick 100-meter dash. And in order to gain traction on this platform, you have to invest time and lots of it, which means that inevitably you will have days or even weeks when you are simply uninspired, and that's okay. I have 2 simple recommendations when it comes to having a lack of ideas. You can definitely do a free write. A free write was when you grab a pen and paper and you set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes, and all you have to do is follow one rule: do not stop writing. It doesn't matter what you're writing down. What matters is that you follow that one rule and keep your pen going. You will find that after your timer is up and you're done writing, your mind will feel so much more clear, and the likelihood of you being inspired or coming up with ideas increases dramatically. The second thing I do is I create an inspo playlist. I have a private YouTube playlist called Inspo, and essentially it's a collection of my favorite videos from my favorite content creators. When I'm watching from this playlist, I do something a little bit different. As I'm watching the videos, I ask myself the question, why do I like this video so much? And I proceed to write down all the reasons why I continue watching. I may have a list that looks like this, and I will take these attributes and I will produce ideas from them. And I love it because it allows me to look at the video from the perspective of the viewer's experience. If you'd like some more ideas about staying motivated or content creation, let me know in the comments below or even write in my discussions tab. Subscribe if this was valuable to you, and check out my other stuff when you get a chance. I'll see you in the next video.